Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error 0X800CCC0F. If you're seeing this Outlook error, it usually points to a problem with sending or receiving mail, often related to account settings or the Outlook data file. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a simple sequence inside Outlook that can help resolve the issue. Begin by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully loaded, move to the top left corner of the window and click File. This opens the account management area where you can review and adjust the settings connected to your email profile. Next, click the Account Settings drop-down menu and then choose Account Settings from the list. A new window will appear showing the email accounts currently configured in Outlook. In that list, click the email account you want to work on. In this example, it's shown as a sample email account, but you'll simply select the one that is giving you the error. After selecting the account, click Remove, and then sign in again. Re-adding the account can refresh the connection between Outlook and the mail server, which is often enough to clear up this kind of send and receive error. Take your time here and make sure the account is added back successfully before moving on. Once the account is back in place, click the same email account again in the Account Settings window. Then click Change. This opens the settings page for that specific account where you can review more detailed options. From there, click More Settings. In the next window, go to the Advanced tab. This section contains additional controls tied to how Outlook stores and communicates your mailbox data. Here, click Outlook Data File Settings. This opens another small window related to the local data file Outlook uses to store your emails and mailbox information on your device. Now click Compact Now. This process reduces the size of the Outlook data file and can help fix issues caused by file bloating or minor corruption. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this may take a little time, so allow it to finish completely. When the compacting process is done, close the Open Settings windows and return to Outlook. At this point, it's a good idea to let Outlook sync again and check whether the error still appears. If needed, give it a minute or two to reconnect and refresh. That's the full process for fixing Outlook error 0X800CCC0F using account reset and data file maintenance inside Outlook.